This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Allega. Sought after Quintet. Beautiful serene location. Patio overlooks quiet wooded area. Seller has made multiple upgrades in the past 2 years, including granite kitchen countertops, new vinyl and kit and master bath, new paint and exotic looking patio decking. Complex offers amenities including pool, sauna, fitness room and pickleball court. This gated community is luxury living but still only minutes from downtown, shopping and the area's major arterials. Parking for 2 cars, 1 in secured garage. For more information, review the details below or contact Allega at 503-287-8989.